Long Bay's jagged limestone karsts rise dramatically from emerald waters. Formed over 500 million years, they are ancient marine fossils, erosion-sculpted towers, caves, and hidden lagoons through rain and tides. Each karst hosts unique ecosystems, from mangroves to rare orchids. Floating fishing villages weave culture into this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kayak between pillars at sunrise for unforgettable, silent panoramas. Explore responsibly, cherish the wonder, and share this marvel with friends.